In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a polylines in AutoCAD. If you work with site plans, floor layouts, or any drawing that uses connected line work, polylines are essential. Editing them cleanly can save you a lot of time. In AutoCAD, you have two primary ways to edit a polyline. Use the PEDIT command for more advanced, precise changes, or use grips for fast, visual tweaks. I'll walk you through both so you know exactly when and how to use each method. Let's start with PEDIT, short for Polyline Edit. This is your go-to for structured changes. Type PEDIT in the command line and select your polyline. If AutoCAD asks to convert a line or arc into a polyline, confirm to proceed. Once you're in PEDIT, you'll see several options. To join separate segments into one continuous polyline, choose Join, select the lines or arcs you want to merge, and press Enter. If there are tiny gaps, AutoCAD may prompt for a fuzz distance. Enter a small value to allow near-miss endpoints to connect. To change the width of the polyline, choose Width and enter a new value. You can also specify different start and end widths if you want a tapered look. This is great for highlighting features like property boundaries or utility routes. If your polyline is almost a loop but not quite, select Close to connect the last point back to the first, instantly creating a closed shape. If you later need it open again, you can reopen it with the Open option in PEDIT. Be sure to review your changes with zoom extents or a quick pan to confirm everything looks correct. Now, for quick, visual edits, use grips. Click the polyline to display its grips. Click once on a grip to make it active, then move your cursor to stretch that section. This is perfect for nudging corners, adjusting lengths, or fine-tuning shapes on the fly. Hovering or right-clicking while a grip is hot often reveals options like stretch or move. And on arc segments, you may see controls to adjust curvature. Toggle ortho mode if you want to keep adjustments perfectly horizontal or vertical, and use object snaps to keep endpoints precise. Here's a simple rule of thumb. Use PEDIT when you need structured control, joining segments, setting widths or closing loops, and use grips when you want fast, visual adjustments without diving into command options. With these two methods, you can confidently refine any polyline in your drawings.